Hello, I am Dr. Garima and I am thrilled to share my experiences at RPS Veterinary College. Our college is dedicated to fostering a passion for veterinary science and providing students with the skills and knowledge they need to excel in this rewarding field. The students here are incredibly motivated and eager to learn. They bring the enthusiasm and curiosity to every lecture, practical session, and fieldwork experience. It's inspiring to see their commitment to animal health and welfare. At RPS Veterinary College, we emphasize hands-on learning, research opportunities, and real-world applications. Our state-of-the-art facilities and experienced faculty ensure that students receive a comprehensive education that prepares them for successful careers in veterinary science. I am proud to be a part of this institution and to contribute to the growth and development of our future veterinarians. Together, we are making a difference in the world of animal health.
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे गम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे। मेरी जीत तेरी हार क्या हुआ तेरा वादा, वो कसम, वो इरादा भूलेगा दिल जिस दिन तुम्हें, वो दिन जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा। क्या हुआ तेरा वादा। Myself Nakul Kaushish, I am a student of RPS Veterinary College. So अगर हम बात करें यहाँ के एकेडमिक्स की, तो यहाँ के एकेडमिक्स काफ़ी अच्छे हैं। जैसे हमें फैसिलिटीज़ मिली हुई है कि टीचर जो है लेक्चर डिजिटल बोर्ड्स पे डिलीवर करते हैं। और अगर हम बात करें तो हमारे पास 3 सब्जेक्ट्स हैं। एनाटमी, जहाँ की लैब जो है वो वेल इक्विप्ड है विद डिफरेंट स्पेसिमेंस दैट आर प्रिजर्व्ड। और यहाँ पे हिस्टोपैथ के जो स्लाइड्स हैं वो भी अवेलेबल हैं अच्छी, और बोन्स के भी स्पेसिमेंस जो हैं वो अवेलेबल हैं। अगर हम फिजियोलॉजी की बात करें तो फिजियोलॉजी में वेल इक्विप्ड केमिकल्स प्रेजेंट हैं, और हमारे पास लैब्स भी फिजियोलॉजी की काफ़ी अच्छी हैं। और एलपीएम की बात करें तो हमें एलपीएम का बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर है, क्योंकि हमारे पास यहाँ अपने कॉलेज का फार्म भी है, जो हमें फार्म विजिट जो है रेगुलर बेसिस पे कराते हैं वो। और हमें बाहर अपने मतलब यहीं पे महेंद्रगढ़ में ही हमें फार्म विजिट्स भी कराते हैं, जैसे स्वाइन फार्म, पिग फार्म और पोल्ट्री फार्म में लेके गए थे। और हमारे जो कॉलेज का फार्म है वहाँ पे पोल्ट्री का एक्सपोजर है, रेगुलर इंटरवल्स पे होता है, कैटल बफलोज भी अवेलेबल हैं। सो नेक्स्ट टॉक अबाउट माय पर्सनल फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट। तो मेरा पर्सनल फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट वेटनरी साइंसेज में वेटनरी फिजियोलॉजी, क्योंकि हम फिजियोलॉजी को अपने आप से भी रिलेट कर सकते हैं ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी से। जैसे हम 12th और 11th में पढ़ के आए हैं ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी, तो हम उससे रिलेट कर सकते हैं। और थोड़े बहुत एक्सेप्शंस होते हैं एनिमल्स में, वो वी कैन कैच अप दैट।
हाय, आई एम प्रियांशी हल्दर. I am a student of RPS Veterinary College. Talking about the campus life over here, the best part about it is surrounded by mountains on all the sides. The air we breathe over here is very pollution free, and we really like being here because we get very scenic views over here. Talking about other than the campus facilities like the location, if I talk about the infrastructure is very good. Indeed, everything is like well equipped, like the labs are well equipped, the classrooms have air conditioned, and everything is like good. In the campus life, the prime role is being played by the teachers and the students. Students over here are from different states. We have a very good wide culture over here. And when I come to talking about the teachers, the faculty over here is superb. Like all the teachers are very good. They are very professional. They are very educated, and plus they have years of experience. So if you go to them with any of the doubts, they're always ready to solve it. Now the memories I have built over here have a huge list, and when it comes to talking about just one favorite, I'll just quote the fest which we recently had. It was on 30th of May. I danced, I sang. It was after a very long time that I enjoyed so much during the fest. And in my free time, I usually study when exams are around, and if the exams aren't around, I chill with my friends. We play board games. Now, if we talk about friends, and I've mentioned board games, so let's talk about community and friendship over here. It's a very good atmosphere because people are from south, people are from north, they are from southeast, there are various parts we have people from, and I like being with them. We get a lot of treats too, cause homemade treats like the traditional food which they have. We celebrate a lot of functions together, may it be Pongal, may it be Bihu, may it be any of the functions, Independence Day or anything. We do it together.
My name is Tushar Bhavna, and if we talk about the facilities in our college, so the labs are well equipped with modern technologies, and then we have a library which have ample amount of books which really helps in studies. And then we have additionally we have extracurricular activities also. Then we have sports facilities also. We have a classroom with facilities with ACs, and then
Hi, my name is Monisha Angush. I am from RPS College of Veterinary Sciences. तो जब मैं इधर आई थी तो मेरे को लगा था इधर पढ़ाई के सिवा कुछ नहीं होगा, तो ये धीरे धीरे मुझे पता लगा कि इधर बहुत सारे एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ होते हैं, जैसे कि स्पोर्ट्स हो गए। तो स्पोर्ट्स में होते हैं बैडमिंटन, बास्केटबॉल और वॉलीबॉल। तो इधर और भी जैसे कि फेस्ट होता है, तो फेस्ट में आप सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, पोएटिंग कर सकते हो। और इधर डिफरेंट कल्चर्स होते हैं, तो आप उनके फेस्टिवल्स को भी कर सकते हो सेलिब्रेट, जैसे कि पोंगल, लोहड़ी, सरस्वती पूजा भी होती है इधर। তো জুনিয়র্স তোমরা কলেজে এসো, খুব ভালো কলেজ। আমরা সবাই এখানে সবাই নই, আমরা কয়েকজন বাঙালি রয়েছি, আমরা সবাই মিলে সাথে থাকবো, তোমরা এসো। অল দ্য বেস্ট।
Hi, my name is Prakshi. So I'm a student of RPS Veterinary College. So here, talking about the supportive system, the entire college, the entire staff, the management, they're actually very supportive regarding everything, and we have the it includes the advisory, the counseling sessions, and regarding the career guidance. It is actually like if we just go through like any of the staff members or any of the teachers, professors, they are actually widely knowledgeable about everything regarding this profession, and so we get ample amount of support from the entire staff and the management. And talking about the personal growth that I've personally experienced over here is that I've experienced that I have boosted my confidence, because here we have a diverse culture, because every student here are they belongs from like various states of India. And regarding the professional growth, we have learned many things like restraining animals and handling them, how to as a veterinarian. So we have gained many knowledge.
My name is Vaidhiti and I'm a student of RPS Veterinary College. The advice I would be giving to the students are the main 4 points I'm about to tell you. The first point is that you'll have to develop self-study skills. While the faculty that we are provided has give excellent guidance, independent learning is very crucial, because it helps you understand your material more and prepare for your exams and assignments. And the second thing is that you should learn how to prioritize your time, because balancing academics and your extracurricular activities and social life can be really challenging, but efficient planning will help you manage time properly. And the third thing is that understanding marks and passing requirements. We have 3 internals and 1 external. The internal marks are very important because they add up to and also reduce the external requirements, so they're really important. And also the last point is that you should make friends and connections here. One of the greatest things about RPS is that we have a huge diversity of students. People come here from all over India, and we have a very rich cultural experience. So try making friends from other states and other different cultures, and don't indulge with just your own state people. And the one more thing why I would recommend RPS to others is that we have excellent academics and the student program. We have excellent programs here and experienced teachers that helps the students to create a successful career. And the infrastructure and facilities are also excellent. And we have modern classrooms, and then we have modern classrooms that helps the teachers to present slides and present pictures that helps us understand more. We also have very nice lab facilities with latest equipments that helps us understand more, because practical experience is really important, and especially in veterinary course. And we also have collaboration with the top Russian university that provides student exchange programs, joint research, and global exposures. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Pranam. I'm a student of RPS Veterinary College. Let's talk about these closing thoughts about RPS. The experience here is very great. The teachers are great. The studies, the teachers, everything is great. Infrastructure is also great. The future that we see is bright after doing veterinary from this college.